So a girl presented to our office with anxiety. Many times when kids have anxiety, it's in relation to their vestibular system being underdeveloped and also a reflex called the Moro reflex. It's a reflex that should go away right around 3 to 4 months of life. So what you're actually seeing in this video is we're working on retraining her Moro reflex, and then we're also using multiple different modalities to help retrain her vestibular system and getting her eyes to work independent of her head movements. So as her head moves or we activate her vestibular system, her eyes are appropriately able to compensate for those movements. As we retrain the system and it gets more efficient, what actually happens is it starts to decrease our anxiety, because every time this system misfires, it fires into our brainstem, which puts us in a fight or flight state or raises our heart rate, increases our blood pressure, and makes our pupils dilate. So as that system gets more efficient, this happens less and less and less, creating a state of less anxiety.
All right, and so what number's next to the letter that makes the accent? 7. Good job. All right, here we go. How about B?
1.
Good job. How about K?
0.
Good. D.
Okay.
Okay. E.
E.
Good job.